Happy new month to you all. It is the first day of September, and of course, it is always good to start a new month with a new trading strategy. Okay, with a good strategy that can help you to make good amount of money whenever you are trading. Okay, and that is why it is important for you to learn these trading strategies which I will be giving to you today. This will most likely increase the way you make profit on daily basis. Okay, so I want you guys to sit tight and watch this video to the end because it will help you to improve your trading activities on daily basis. Okay, so let's go fully into it right away. But before we do that, guys, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you love this content, okay, and you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I have been doing in most of my videos, okay, I have been giving us the information about the trend trading strategy because it's one of the best and the easiest way to go about it. Okay, so what do I mean by the trend trading strategy? The trend trading strategy gives us the opportunity to trade within a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, and which means if the market is on uptrend, just the way we have it around here, okay, you will just be trading the trend till the very end of it. And when it changed from uptrend to a downtrend, all you just need to do is just to follow it up to the very end of the trend. And this is an amazing way of trading. So, with that being said, it simply means that you need to know how to identify the trend because you cannot trade the trend without identifying the trend. Okay, so that is why it is important for you to give me your full attention right here so that you will understand all this. Okay, now apart from you knowing how to identify the trend, you also need to know your support and resistance region. You need to know how to identify those ones also because those ones will help you to know when the trend is about to change from one trend to another. For instance, the uptrend, this particular uptrend started from this support region. It started from this support region, which means when the market gets to the support region and it's unable to break out from there, okay, you should be getting yourself ready for a change in direction of the trend because before the market will get to the support region, it will be on downtrend selling till it gets to a point where it is unable to go further, okay, which means the support region. And there are two things that can happen from the support region. It is either there is a breakout below the support region to continue selling, or there is a change in direction of the trend. Okay, so if there is no breakout around the support region, then it will change from a downtrend into an uptrend, and that is what we experience here. And as you can see, the color of the flag changed from red. You can see it changed from red to yellow, which means it is now on uptrend and it has been buying since then. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from the resistance zone also. Okay, and of course, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will switch the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. But if it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying right from there. So in this situation, it was unable to break out from here. So it tried to go back on downtrend, but it didn't go too far because of the our mini support region that is around here. So it went back up again to try out this support region to see if it will actually break out from there. Okay, but as you can see, it didn't break out above this resistance zone. So right from there, it went down again to see if it can go fully into a downtrend. And at this point, it broke out below this particular mini support region to sell more. So in this situation, it has gone fully into a downtrend. You can see the flag changed from yellow color into a red color to give us a good downtrend trading opportunity. So in this situation, all you need to focus on are the sell signals. Okay, when it was an uptrend, you just need to focus on the buy signals, which are the blue arrows. Okay, the sell signals are the red arrows. So for a downtrend, just focus on the red arrows, or the sell signals, and for the uptrend, focus on the buy signals or the blue arrows. Okay, so this is very important. Once you understand this, then you are most likely to make profits on daily basis. Okay, so this is very important. So in a nutshell, okay, all you need to do is to understand and um it, all you need to do is to understand the aspects of the trend trading strategy. You need to know how to identify the trends. Okay, if you can identify the trends, then you are most likely to be having a more profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, apart from you understanding the trend, just because we know that the trend also work in line with the support and the resistance region. You should also know how to identify the support and the resistance region also, because this will help you to know if a trend will change from one particular trend to another or not. Okay, so once you are able to put all this together, you are most likely to be having more profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so I will advise you guys to learn this strategy, practice with it, and see how profitable it's going to be for you. Okay, so you can use any trading tools to identify the trend, to identify your entry points, your support region, your resistance zone. But if you don't have anyone, you can make use of the one I am having on my chart right now. But you will have to reach out to me before you can get it. So just for you to know that the trend trading strategy actually works. This was an uptrend before. That is why it was on this yellow flag. And of course, after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it. You can see it switched over from yellow color to red color. So which means the market is now on downtrend. So give us some sell signals. Remember, when the market is on downtrend, we follow the sell signals, okay? And you can see it sold to the very end of the trend, okay? Now let's see more. This is Paynex 1000. I mean 200, 1200, okay? So it's started a downtrend right from this resistance zone by giving us the red flag, I mean the red color flag, and you can see that been on downtrend since then. Okay, you can see how beautiful this is, so you can try it out on any assets and you will always get it right. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Remember, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.